Hello everyone. Welcome back to our session on probability. This is Amit Kumar Singh, and we are doing the second session of probability for the CMA students. So, guys, so far in probability, I have discussed these basic concepts. Easy numericals were there. We did this easy numericals, and I believe you have gone through these numericals. In case if you have any doubt, you are most welcome to use the comment option. Okay, then we started the numerical problem. So while discussing the numerical problem, we did three questions. So probably if you have any doubt in these questions, let me know. Okay, one thing before I go ahead, I like to tell you one thing like just remember this, that whenever you are working on probability, and if suppose probability of success and failure, if both is equal to 1 by 2, okay, then you can use the probability here as NCR by 2 to the power n as the formula. The same formula you can use for the coin problem. Okay, and the same formula you can use true false problem, because there also the probability of success or failure is 1 by 2. Okay, and also one more thing is like, suppose if my name is Amit, in how many ways can I arrange the letter of this word Amit? It would be 4 factorial, because 4 letters are there. So I'll arrange in 4 factorial way. Suppose if I write here apple, so suppose if I write here apple, so in how many ways can you arrange the letter of word apple? So 5 letters are there, 5 factorial, and then p has came 2 times, so divide by 2 factorial. Similarly, if it p f f, so here 6 letters are there, 6 factorial. Now p has came 4 times, so divide by 4 factorial. F has came 2 times, divide by 2 factorial. Okay, so this logic I have used to solve these questions, numerical problem we have done. Okay, here you can see this. So how this calculation came, I believe you will easily understand for that way. Clear, everyone? Fine. So going ahead, discussing this problem number 3, what is the probability of making three correct guesses in five true and false answer type question? So five questions are there, and you want three correct guesses. So probability that you will make correct guess is 1 by 2, and the probability that you will make incorrect guess is also 1 by 2, because here either true or either false. So either you will be correct or either it would be incorrect. So whenever the probability is 1 by 2, you can directly use the formula which I told you, NCR by 2 to the power n. Here five questions are there. So and you want three correct. So if you want three correct, means three would be incorrect. Okay, five questions are there. Three correct and then two would be incorrect. In how many ways can you arrange this? 5 factorial by 2 factorial, 3 factorial, and then probability of success is 1 by 2. Probability of failure is also 1 by 2, and success is 3 times and failure is 2 times. So if you solve this, what you will get? This is 5. This you can write 5 into 4 into 3 factorial. By 2 factorial is 2. 3 factorial by 3 factorial you can cancel. This is 1 by 2 to the power 5. So this is 10 by 32. 10 by 32 you can write as 5 by 16. 5 by 16, if you solve, you'll get 0.3125. Okay, everyone. So I hope you understood question number 3. Question number 4, there are 6 slips in a box, uh, and number 112233 are written on these slips, and 2 slips are taken random from the box. The expected value of the sum of the number on the slip is. So here, if you see question number 4, question number 4, what numbers are written? 6 slips are there. Number written is 1, 1, 2, then 2, then 3, then 3. These are the number written on the 6 slips in the box. Okay. What is the expected value of the sum of the number on the slip is, and how many you are drawing? and two slips are taken out. You draw two slips. Okay, you draw two slips. Okay, so in how many ways can you draw? If you draw two slip, what can be the two slip? It can be 1, 1. It can be 1, 2. It can be 1, 3. So if you're drawing two slip, it can be 1, 1. It can be 1, 2, and it can be 1, 3. Okay, it can be 2, 1. It can be 2, 2. It can be 2, 3, and it can be 3, 1. It can be 3, 2, 3, 1. It can be 3, 2, and then it can be 3, 3. So the sum what you can get is either 2 or 3 or 4, okay, or 5 or 6. These are the sum what you can get. Okay, and then we can calculate the probability of getting this sum. Okay, so how many possible cases are there? You can calculate the total possible cases here. Okay, so here, because total possible outcomes, it would be 6C2. Okay, so from the six what you say slip, you can pick two slips, so the total possible outcome would be 15. Okay, it can be 15, and the sum of the possible outcome, it would be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and what is the probability that you will get the sum 2? What is the probability that you can get sum 2? That is 1 by 15, because total 15 cases are there. Total how many cases are possible? Total cases would be from 6. You can pick any two at the time. So total 15 cases are possible. Okay, so now here, out of the 15 cases, in how many cases you can get two? Only one case, when 1, 1. Okay, then when you can get as a sum as 3, where sum as 3. So sum as 3, there would be four cases. The sum as 3, there would be four cases. What are the 1, then 2, sum 3, right? Sum 3, not this. 1, 2, then then it can be 2, then 1, 2, or 2, 1. Okay, or 3. So it can be from this one, 1, 2. This can be from this one, sorry, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 2, 1. 1 minute from this pen problem. So from this one, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then this 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, or it can be from this one, 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, and 2, 1. So there would be four cases. Okay, there would be four cases. You want the sum 3. Okay, you want the sum 3. There would be four cases. Then you want the sum 4. Sum 4, it would be five cases. Sum 4. So it would be you want sum 4. So sum 4 you can get as 2, 2. Okay, you can get 2, 2, 3, 1, 1, 3, Then again, two threes are there, 3 comma 1, and then 1 comma 3. So you will get 5 cases, 5 by 15. Then the sum 5, how you can get? You will get the sum 5 only with 2 and 3. So only with 2 and 3, 2, 3, then 3, 2, then again 2, 3, then 3, 2. It would be 4 by 15. It would be 4 by 15, and sum 6 you can only get with 3 comma 3. So this would be 1 by 15. So this would be the probability. This would be the probability here. Okay. And then they're asking us the expected value. So multiply this. So this would be 2 by 15. This would be 12 by 15. This would be 20 by 15. This would be 20 by 15. This would be 6 by 15. Whenever they ask you expected value, multiply the x with the probability. So if you multiply this, you'll get 20, 20, 40, 40 plus 12, 52, 52 plus 2, sorry, 20 plus 20, 40, 52, 54, 58 by 15. 58 by 15, it would be close to 4. 58 by 15, you can use calculator. So 58 by 15, 3.86. So 3.86 is the answer. 20 plus 20 is 40. 40. Acha, this is 6 now. 20 plus 20, 40. 40 plus 6, 46. 46 plus 12. 46 plus 12 is 58. Sorry. 58 plus 2 is 60 by 15. Sorry. The answer would be 16 by 15. 16 by 15. That means this would be equal to 4. Clear, everyone? So the answer for this question would be option C. That answer is 4. Now going further, let's do the next question, question number 5. In question number 5, it is given that the probability that there is at least one error in the account statement prepared by A. So the account statement prepared by A, if there's at least one error, question number 5. Question number 5, it is like this, that at least one error, at least one error, an account statement made by A. Okay, account statement made by A, at least one error. The probability is 0.3, and the probability is zero point 0.3. Okay, so at least one error, or at least one error means the error can be one or more than one. So that whatever the account statement A is making, if the probability that there is at least one error, that probability is zero point 0.3. So the probability that, okay, there is no error, probability that there is no error in the account statement made by A, in the account statement made by A, that would be 1 minus zero point 0.3, that would be equal to zero point 0.7. So probability that there's no error in the account statement made by A, that would be equal to zero point 0.7, because see, whenever the account statement A is making, they can be 0 error or 1 error or 2 error or 3 error. Okay, they can be some finite errors and all. Okay, and the total probability of this would be equal to 1. So what they're telling, the probability that there is at least one error, this value is given as zero point 0.3. Okay. So if this value is equal to zero point 0.3, then what is probability that there would be no error? That would be 1 minus zero point 0.3. That would be zero point 0.7. So probability of no error. So the probability of no error, okay, made by A, that is zero point 0.7. Okay, because there's at least one error is zero point 0.3. Probability that there's at least one error is zero point 0.3. So no error is zero point 0.7. Similarly for B, similarly for B, the probability that there's at least one error is zero point 0.4, so no error would be zero point 0.6. And similarly for C, probability that at least one error is 0.45, so no error, it would be 0.55. Okay, and the number is given to us. So how many account statement A, B, and C make? If A prepared 20 statement, B prepared 10 statement, and C prepare 40 statement. Okay, so if I want to know the expected outcomes of no error, if I want to find, then what I'll do, zero point 0.7 into 20 means 14, then zero point 0.6 into 10 means 6, and then 0.55 into 40 means 5.5 into 4. If I talk about it, 22. So this would be what? Uh, 14 plus 6 is 20, 42. So probability of getting the expected outcome of no error, it would be equal to 42. Okay, so the expected number of correct answer will be equal to 42. Fine. Similarly, if you see question number 6, if A, B, C are mutually exclusive and exhaustive events with the probability of A is zero point 0.6, B is zero point 0.2, and then C would be what? So because they are exhaustive event means the sum total of the probability will be equal to 1, and A is zero point 0.6, B is zero point 0.2, so total 0.8 is done. What left is zero point 0.2. So the answer for this is option C, zero point 0.2, because exhaustive events means the sum total of the probability will be equal to 1. So A is zero point 0.6. So A probability of A plus probability of B plus probability of C, that is equal to 1. Okay, so A is zero point 0.6, B is zero point 0.2. So C would be 1 minus zero point 0.6 minus zero point 0.2. That would be zero point 0.2. Okay, question number 7. Already I have explained you odd in favor, odd against favor probability in the first question. Okay, in the first question we have discussed this when we started discussing about the probability, this formula. So odd against favor means unexpected, unfavorable outcome by favorable outcome. It is 3 by 5 means favorable is 5, unfavorable is 3, and total is 8. Okay, so what is the probability? Probability is favorable by total. So it means 5 by 8. Okay, option B. Okay, then here question number 8, they're asking you calculate the mathematical expectation. Nothing what you have to do, just multiply. Okay, just multiply the probability with the value. Okay, the sum and then sum it. What you get is the answer. Okay, like 1 into zero point 0.2 plus 2 into zero point 0.3 plus 3 into zero point 0.3 plus 4 into 0.25 plus 5 into zero point 0.1. That is your answer. If you do it, you will get the answer 2.9. Okay. The here question number 9. Question number 9 is like this. There are two urns containing four white and three red ball. So there's one urn. So there are two urns. So you have urn 1 and then you have urn 2. So urn 1 contain four white and three red ball. Okay, and urn 2 and there are two urns containing four white and three red ball, and three white and seven red ball. Three white and seven red ball. The total, it have seven ball. It has total 10 ball. Okay, fine. Now, here, what they're telling, an urn is chosen at random. So, in how many ways you can choose an urn? So, the probability that you choose an urn is 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Okay. uh, Choose random and the ball is drawn from it. Okay, you randomly choose any urn. Probability that you choose urn 1 is 1 by 2. You choose urn 2 is 1 by 2. What is the probability that the ball is white? I don't know. So if 1 by 2 is the probability that I choose urn 1, and the probability it's a white ball is 4 by 7, plus 1 by 2 is the probability that I choose urn 2, and the probability it is white is 3 by 10. It is 3 by 10. So if you solve this, you'll get is 4 by 14 plus 3 by 20. This you can write as 2 by 7 plus 3 by 20. So 7 and 20 LCM would be 140. 20 twos is 40 and 7 threes is 21. 61 by 140. Answer is option C. Okay. Then question number 10. Question number 10 is like this. If a ball drawn is white, okay, you got to know that the ball what you get is white. What is the probability that it is from urn one? So it's an example of Bayes theorem. So in Bayes theorem, we already know the outcome. Okay, we already know the outcome. The outcome is white. Okay, and what is the probability that it is from urn first urn? Okay, so here how we do whenever you have this, so we'll find out the probability of getting white color ball from urn one divide by the total probability. Okay, so here what if you know that the ball drawn is white? Okay, so if you know that the ball drawn is white, so what is the probability of getting white color ball from urn one? Okay, the white color ball is 4 by 7. And what is the probability of getting white color ball from urn 2? It is 3 by 10. Okay, and what is the probability you choose urn 1? Urn 1, it is 1 by 2. You choose one, urn 2 is 1 by 2. So the answer for this would be 1 by 2 is the probability of choosing urn 1 into a probability of getting white color ball from urn 1 is 4 by 7 divide by total probability 1 by 2 into 4 by 7 plus 1 by 2 into 3 by 10. This is the Bayes theorem. So if you solve this, this is 4 by 14 divide by 4 by 14 plus 3 by 20. 4 by 14 plus 3 by 20, it would be 2 by 7 divide by 2 by 7 plus 3 by 20. So this is 2 by 7 and then this would be 140. 140 means 20 twos are 40 plus 7 threes are 21. So this would be 2 by 7 by 61 by 140. So this would be 2 by 7 into 140 by 61. This is 20. So the answer is 40 by 61. Answer is 40 by 61. This is the example. This is a question of Bayes theorem. So if you have any doubt on Bayes theorem and all, you can go through Google and work on Bayes theorem concept. Okay, Bayes theorem is the example of inverse conditional probability. So if I Google it for you, the formula for that Bayes theorem. Bayes theorem. So you can go to the Bayes theorem. Okay, so Bayes theorem, which calculate the probability of event A happening given that event B has already happened. So what is the event B in our case is that the ball, that white color ball you get. And what is event A? Event A is that you are getting this white color ball from urn one. That is your event A. So it derived from the conditional probability and update the probability of hypothesis based on new evidence. So you can just go to the formulas and all. Okay, read little bit about Bayes theorem. This is the formula of A by B. What is B? B is the probability that you are getting a white color ball. That is the B. So here the formula of this is probability of Bayes theorem formula is probability of A by B. Probability of Bayes theorem formula is probability of A by B is probability of B by A, probability of B by A into A by B the formula of Bayes theorem, probability of A by B is probability of B by A into probability of A divide by total probability divide by probability of B. 1 minute. Hmm. Divide by the probability of B. This is a formula of Bayes theorem. So what is here A and B? B is the probability of getting white ball. This is the B. B is the probability of getting white ball. And what is A? What is A? Probability of getting white ball from an A. White ball from an A. This is probability of A by B. Okay, probability of getting white color ball from an A. And what is B by A means? B by A means B by A here means that you choose an A and from there you are getting white color ball. Into what is A? A is that what is the probability of choosing an A? Probability of choosing an A is what is the probability of choosing an A? Probability of choosing an A is 1 by 2. Probability of choosing an B is 1 by 2. What is the probability of getting white color ball from an A? That is given in the problem. Okay. And what is probability of B? Probability of B is probability of getting a white color ball. Okay, what is that is the probability of getting white color ball, that is probability of B. Or you can do the total probability. So this is the total probability. And a probability of E by A is equal to probability of E into probability of A by E, and then the sum total of the probability, sum total of that probability, and a sum total of this probability. So probability. So when I say Bayes theorem, when I am saying Bayes theorem, so Bayes theorem basically means like here, what is A by B? A by B means B is the probability of getting white color ball and A is the probability of choosing an A. Probability of A by B means probability of A. It means like you choose an A into probability of B by A. B by A means you are getting white color ball from an A. Divide by probability of A into probability of B by A plus probability of like other whatever is that probability of choosing an B into probability of getting white color ball from an B. है ना? So this is what will give you the required probability as per the Bayes theorem. Okay, clear everyone? So here in the problem it is given that you had like it is given, no, it is given that there are two urns are there. So urn one and you had urn two. Okay. So urn one contained four white and three red ball. Four white and three red ball. Total seven balls are there. And here uh, four white and three red ball. And here three white and seven red ball. Three white and seven red ball. Total 10 balls are there. Okay. Now, what is the probability of choosing earn 1 or probability of choosing earn 2? Both is equal to 1 by 2. And what is the probability like earn 1 or earn 2? I writing U1, U2. Okay. What is the probability that you are getting white color ball from earn 1? So that is 4 by 7. Okay, and what is the probability that you are getting white color ball? What is the probability that you are getting white color ball from earn to, this is equal to 3 by 10. Okay. I hope you are getting. So they are telling you that you got a white color ball. What is the probability that it is from earn one? This is the question. So how to do this? This is the, to do this you'll apply Bayes theorem. What is the probability that you choose earn one into what is the probability that you get a white color ball from earn one, divide by probability of getting choosing earn one into probability of getting white color ball from earn one plus probability of choosing earn two into probability of getting white color ball from earn two. So this you have to solve. So this is 1 by 2 and getting white color ball from earn 1 is 4 by 7, 3 by 10. 4 by 7, it is 1 by 2 into 4 by 7 plus 1 by 2 into 3 by 10. You solve this, you'll get the answer. The answer is 40 by 61. Sorry, what is the answer you got? Sorry, answer you get is 61 by 140. Okay, already I have done the calculation. Clear? Already I've done the calculation. Here I was trying to explain you the concept. Clear everyone? Now we'll discuss question number 11 for two mutually exclusive events. Mutually exclusive event means they cannot happen together. That's why we call them mutually exclusive events. So if probability of A is zero point 0.4, B is zero point 0.3, A or B means probability of A or B means A union B. So A or B, whenever you see A or B, probability of A or B, A or B means probability of A union B. Probability of A union B means probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Okay, so for mutually exclusive event, for mutually exclusive events, understand that probability of A intersection B will be equal to 0. They cannot happen together. They are mutually exclusive events. So probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B, that is equal to zero point 0.4 plus zero point 0.3. Answer is 0.7. Okay. Question number 12. If A and B are two mutually exclusive events and probability of A is 3 by 4. Okay, again, probability, mutually exclusive events are there. They cannot happen together. A is question number 12. A is 3 by 4. A union B. A union B is 5 by 6. So A union B formula, you know, A plus B. Okay, A union B is 5 by 6 and A is 3 by 4. What is probability of B? So probability of B would be 5 by 6 minus 3 by 4. So the probability of B, it would be 12 LCM. So this would be 10 minus 9, 1 by 12. Probability of B, it would be 1 by 12. Answer for this is option D, 1 by 12. Question number 13. Question number 13, probability of A is 2 by 3. Probability of B is 3 by 5. And probability of A union B is 13 by 15. Okay, then A and B are, so let me do A and B are what? So let me do probability of A plus probability of B first. I don't know. So 2 by 3 plus 3 by 5. If I do LCM is 15. 5 2s are 10 plus 15 divided by 5 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 9. 3 into 3 is, you're getting 19 by 15. A plus B. So they cannot be mutually exclusive because the probability cannot be more than 1. Now if I multiply A into B, A into B, if I multiply 2 by 3 into 3 by 5, I'm getting 2 by 5. Okay, and then if I apply the formula A union B formula, A union B is A plus B minus of A intersection B. So when they are independent event, then your probability is A into B. So this is 2 by 3 plus 3 by 5 minus, if I do 2 by 5, so I'm getting 2 by 3. I'm getting as 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. So 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5, if I take LCM 15, 15 divide by 3 is 5, 5 2s are 10 plus 3. I'm getting as 13 by 15. 13 by 15 is what given in the problem, no? A union B. So it means they are independent events. Okay, because when they are independent, then only A intersection B is A into B. So they are independent event. Answer is option B. They are independent event. So remember, guys, for the independent event, remember this. Remember everyone that whenever you have independent event, so independent events, for independent events, for independent events, probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of A into probability of B for independent event. Remember this. Okay, question number 14. For two independent event X and Y, X union Y is 1 by 3 and X is 1 by 5. What is Y? So here question number 14. X union Y, X union Y is 1 by 3. X union Y is 1 by 3. Probability of X union Y is 1 by 3. Probability of X is 1 by 5. What is the probability of Y? Suppose, I don't know, suppose this is A. Okay, so the formula, if they are independent, it is given X and Y are independent means probability of X intersection Y, it would be multiply, now 1 by 5A. Okay, so probability of X union Y, it would be probability of X 1 by 5 plus probability of Y, that is A, I have assumed is A, minus A intersection B, means A by 5. Okay, so and this is given union, how much is given? 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is 1 by 5 And what is a minus a by 5? 4a by 5. So it bring it here. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5 is 4a by 5. So LCM if you take is 15. 15. So 5 minus 3 is 2. 4a by 5. So if you solve, this is 3 za. This is 2 za. Sorry, this is 2. So a is equal to 1 by 6. The value of a, what you will get is 1 by 6. Answer is option B. Simple, right? Hmm. So if you take probability of y as 1 by 6, so then you'll get the union as 1 by 3. So x is 1 by 5, y is 1 by 6. So 1 by 5 plus 1 by 6 probability of x plus probability of y minus probability of intersection of x and y. If you solve this, 1 by 5 plus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 30. If you solve 1 by 5, if you solve this, LCM is 30. This is 4 by 30. So if you take LCM, this is 30. 30 means 6 plus 4, 10. 10 by 30 means 1 by 3. Clear? So question number 14, answer is option B, 1 by 6. Question number 15, a random variable x can take values from like -1, 0, 1. Question number 15, a random variable can take the value -1, 0, 1 with the respective probability. What is the probability? 0.2, zero point 0.5 and zero point 0.3. So total probability is 1. Okay, they're asking you the expected value. So expected value, whenever they'll ask you multiply the probability with x value, -1 into zero point 0.2, it would be minus zero point 0.2. This would be 0. This would be 0.3. 0.3 minus zero point 0.2. Answer expected value would be 0.1. Answer of question number 15 is option D, 0.1. Question number 16. Question number 16. Question number 16. For two mutually exclusive event A is 3 by 4. Probability of A is 3 by 4 and B is 1 by 6. B is 1 by 6. Mutually exclusive event. Na? So there's no A intersection B. So probability of A or B means A union B they're asking. So it would be 3 by 4 plus 1 by 6. There's no intersection. So LCM would be 12. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 3s are 9. And 12 divided by 6 is 2. So answer is 11 by 12. Option A. Question number 17. Uh, for if A and B are two events such that A is zero point 0.4, union is zero point 0.7, A and B are independent. Independent, so what is B? So independent, again guys, you know that whenever it is independent means you'll multiply A intersection B. Union is zero point 0.7. Union is Union is zero point 0.7. Question number 17. Okay, independent A is zero point 0.4. A is zero point 0.4. probability of B, suppose it is equal to X. Okay, A union B, A union B is equal to zero point 0.4 plus X minus zero point 0.4 X. Because when they are independent, A intersection B is A into B. So A union B is zero point 0.7. Zero point 0.7 is equal to zero point 0.4 plus zero point 0.6x. So this is zero point 0.3 divided by zero point 0.6. It is, what is x? X is zero point 0.5. Option D. Hmm. Question number 18. Uh, A is 2 by 3, B is 1 by 3, A union B is 1 by 2, A by B. What is probability of B by A? Question number 18. Probability of B by A. What is the formula of probability of B by A? Probability of B by A means probability of A intersection B by probability of A. This is the formula of probability of B by A. So here, uh, which question? Question number 18. So probability of A is 2 by 5. Probability of A is uh 2 by 5. Probability of A is 2 by 5. Probability of A is 2 by 5. Probability of B is 1 by 3. Probability of B is 1 by 3. And A union B is 1 by 2. A union B is 1 by 2. A union B is 1 by 2. Okay, so I can find A intersection B, right? So A union B formula is A plus B minus A intersection B. So let A intersection B is X. Okay, so I can find X, right? What is X? X would be equal to 2 by 5 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2. Take LCM, 5, 3, 2 LCM. So the answer LCM would be, all are co-prime to each other. So LCM would be 30. So 30 divided by 5 is 6, 6 2s are 12 plus 30 divided by 3 is 10 minus 30 divided by 2 is 15. So 12 plus 10 is 22 minus 15 is 7 by 30. So A intersection B is 7 by 30. 7 by 30 divided by probability of A is 2 by 5. So 7 by 30 into 2 by 5. This is 6. So the answer is 7 by 12. Option B. Question number 19. A union B is zero point 0.8. A intersection B is zero point 0.1. So A plus B would be zero point 0.9. Simple. Option A. You know the formula. A union B formula is A plus B minus A intersection B. A union B is given zero point 0.8. A intersection B is given zero point 0.1. So this minus sign will come this side, become plus sign. Question number 20. Probability of A hitting the target is 1 by 5 and B not hitting the target is 3 by 4. So B hitting the target would be 1 by 4. So probability of question number 20. Probability of A hitting the target is 1 by 5. Probability of B hitting the target is 1 by 4. Probability of like Probability of hitting the target means suppose A and B both are trying, and what is the probability that the target get hit? So 1 minus probability that A does not hit the target. So actually this question is not complete. What is this question? Probability of A hitting the target is 1 by 5. B not hitting the target is 3 by 4. So B hitting the target would be 1 by 4. The question should be like if A and B both tried hitting, okay, what is the probability that the target got hit? So it means the probability that if both are trying to hit the target, it means like A hitting the target, B not hitting the target, plus probability that A not hitting the target into probability that B hitting the target, plus the probability that both A and B both hit the target. This is like it question is like that. If both A and B both try to hit the target, what is the probability that the target get hit? Like, it can be A hit, B does not hit. It can be like it can be the case means both A and B are trying to hit the target, right? And both A and B are trying. So it can be like that. One of the case can be A target hit, but B target does not hit. The other case can be A target does not hit, B target hit, or both A and B target hit, or one minus the probability that none of the target A or B, they both of the target does not hit. Both will give you the case. So it can be 1 minus neither A hit or neither B hit. So you do whatever way you'll get the answer. A hitting is 1 by 5. B not hitting would be 3 by 4. Plus A not hitting it would be 4 by 5. B hitting would be 1 by 4. And both of them hitting would be 1 by 5 into 1 by 4. And these are independent events. So 1 minus neither A or B hit means 4 by 5 into 3 by 4. So you do whatever way, you'll get the same answer. So this is 3 by 20 plus 4 by 20 plus 1 by 20 is equal to 1 minus 3 by 5. So this is 8 by 20 or 2 by 5. 8 by 20 is nothing but 2 by 5 only. So the answer for this question number 20, it would be equal to 2 by 5. Clear everyone?